Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to have a quick look at how to do an if statement. So what I want to happen is in this bonus column, if the sales for each of these people are over 21,000, I want that to give them 10%, a 10% bonus. Where it says remarks, if they've got a bonus, I want that to say well done. If they haven't got a bonus, so that is less than 20, this is less than 21 and there's no bonus there, I want that to say more effort. So this bit first. So I'm going to use named ranges. So if I highlight these figures and just click into the name area and type sales and press enter, that will call that sales. And I'm going to do the same for this. Call that bonus. Press enter. And then I should be able to use those words. So I can go equals if, open the bracket on the if. So if sales is greater than 21,000, so you just type it as a number, comma, if that's true, sales times 0.1, which is 10%, it's telling you that this one's false, look, that's good, comma, otherwise 0, and then close the bracket. That looks good. So press enter on that one, and then I can just pull that one down and it should fill in. So that one's true, so that's going 3,400. So is that one 8,900? So that's good. Now I'll do the same for this one, but this time I'm going to refer to the bonus column. I've named that bonus, remember. So in this one I'm going to go equals if, open the bracket, if bonus equals 0, bonus equals 0, comma, that means I haven't got a bonus. I need to put some text here, so that has to go in quotes. And now if they haven't got a bonus, I want that to say more effort needed. Close the quotes. That's what it's going to say if there's no bonus, comma, if they've got a bonus, obviously they've done okay, so well done. But these words have to go in speech marks, and then close the bracket on that one. Just check that looks okay. Looks okay, press enter, and this time it's suggesting to fill down. Now that one did, but I just stopped it earlier, but I'll tick this one because that's correct. I do want that to do that, fill down. Now if I change the sales to this one to 22,000, that should give him 10% in there, and that should say well done if I just press enter on that. There we go. So both of those work. Now this one, I'm just going to delete these. I'm not using names, I'm just going to use the cell reference. So in this one, if they've got over 8 hours, they're due overtime. So it's going to be a simple one, equals if this cell is greater than 8, comma, if that's true, overtime. Again, it has to go in quotes, overtime. So close quotes, comma, if it's false, no overtime. And then that's got to go in quotes as well. And then you close the bracket, press enter, accept the drop down, because that is correct. And if I do 9 on that one, press enter, it flicks over to overtime. So that's just a very quick video on how to do simple if functions. So you've got 3 elements to a basic if: a test, what to do if it's true, then a comma, what to do if it's false. If you're using text, you need to put it inside quotes. If you're just using cell references, you can just do it like that. But I prefer to use named ranges, so that's why I named that first. It's totally up to you. You can still achieve the same thing with cell references. You still get the 3 elements: a test, what to do if it's true, what to do if it's false, and your result will still work. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.